43 years ago, I marched across the bridge in Selma. That was much easier than the decision that I have to make, but I had to make it.
You're saying this decision was harder than the Selma March?
It was much tougher. All I had to do in Selma in 1965 to put on my trench coat and my suit, my backpack, and walk and look straight ahead. But
Congressman, you got your head beaten in. Your face was covered with blood.
But this is tougher. I'm dealing with friends, people that I love, people that I admire, part of my extended family.